In this video, I'm going to share with you my coconut milk rice recipe. This is one of my favorite rice recipe and it is super easy to make. If you want to see how I made this deliciousness, keep on watching. Welcome back, friends. So now let's start making our delicious coconut milk rice. First, I added my coconut oil. In here, I have my onion and scotch bonnet. I'm going to be adding it to the coconut oil and allow it to steam for a while. Believe me, anyone can make this meal. It is very easy and yet so delicious. Keep on watching to see how I really made mine to be delicious. In here, I have my bell peppers. I have the green one, the red ones, and the yellow ones. Of course, you can skip the ones you don't like, but do make sure you are using bell peppers. It brings a very flavorful taste to this rice, and its aroma too is so delicious. Now I'm going to be using all my spices. You don't need much for this recipe. All I did use was my white pepper, stock powder, salt to taste, ginger powder. That should be a must, the ginger powder, because ginger powder goes really well with milk, with coconut milk, sorry. And I did use chili pepper. You can decide to skip the chili pepper if you don't want it so hot, but me, I like my food very spicy and hot. So I did add chili pepper even after using the scotch bonnet. And I will allow this to simmer for some minutes, a minute or two. At this point, it's time to add our rice. My rice has already been washed and parboiled. You want to parboil your rice first so it's not too hard at the end after cooking. And now I'm going to stir everything together to make sure all the mixture is well mixed together. Here comes the fun part of this recipe, the coconut milk. Now I did just add my coconut milk. All the measurements of the ingredients I used will be down in the description box below, so do try to check it out. Stir in the coconut milk and do try to taste for salt. In my case, I'm going to be adding some more salt, just little, and stock powder. After stirring everything in together properly, do add a little bit of water, not so much water, just a little bit of water to get the rice to be well cooked. And stir in. Then I'm going to allow this to cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Just keep on checking to see when your rice is soft. So mine was cooked for just 15 minutes. And I'm going to be stirring it a bit out. You can see how fluffy it's already looking. Fluffy and creamy. This is how we want our rice to look like. Not soggy, but fluffy. I'm just going to be adding some diced coconut. This is totally optional, but I like adding it to mine because I like the crunchiness it gives to the rice. After stirring all that together, I'm going to be adding my fried beef. You can use chicken breast, you can use turkey breast, any one of your choice. I would say you don't skip adding your fried beef or fried chicken breast. This makes the meal extra delicious and you do not want to miss that part. At this point, the heat is already out. So I just stirred everything properly and added some bell peppers again. This you can skip, but I like adding more bell peppers, but it's totally optional. Look at the deliciousness. Our coconut milk rice is ready. And I hope you will be trying out this recipe. You would agree with me that it was very easy to make. So there's no excuse for you not trying out this recipe. Yes, our coconut milk rice is ready and it was really delicious. Look at how fluffy it is looking and yet so creamy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you like what you've seen, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share my video, and do subscribe. And don't forget to put on the notification bell on. That way you get to see a lot of my interesting videos. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for coming back. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Thank you all. I appreciate you all. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you and bye-bye.